Good afternoon, folks. Mark Wilson here in the new and improved fan cave. What you're looking at today is a Hunter Passport, one of the 7 fans in which I acquired free of charge on Saturday. I'm not sure if it's a Passport. It might be a Summer Breeze or whatever, something or other Breeze. They changed model names somewhere down the line, and still have yet to identify what year this is, but all 4 lights do work. All 4 of the spotlights. I actually like this. I think I might actually keep this fan. I do like the white with the spotlights and the polished brass accents. So take it for a spin. It does move quite a bit of air. There were it was actually my first day. I quit the post office and taking some time off and going back to Frito Lay, and there were my first day I had to myself. I quit. It was a Friday. It was my last day. That's Saturday. Woke up early in the morning. I picked up these 3 fans in Westford. Ironically enough, met the seller at a at the post office. That's where he wanted to meet. So here's my first day not working for the post office, and I ended up at another one. So anyway, really nice guy. Met him there, gave them to me for free. All 3 of these fans. There were 2 white and polished brass Passports. One had the skinnier switch housing, so I'm assuming that's from the 80s. This is probably from the 90s. And the other one had polished brass with a also that fatter switch housing like from the 90s. Both the other fans have tit lights. This has spotlights. The other fans I acquired for free were in Maynard, and they were another Passport. No, I take that back. A SMC Royal Flush, a Hampton Bay Genoa, and some little flush mount thing. And then I went, I got my Sea Air, whatever it is, did a video of already. So, oh my, some dust on my jacket. Anyway, let's give it a try at the medium setting. And low. And now for the spin down. I really do want to thank you for watching this video. Please do click like and subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave. And thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.